it's me Cherie. Welcome back to my channel. So, yeah. Di video ini mungkin agak beda guys, karena I just got my silver play button. Yay! Sebelum aku buka, aku mau cerita dikit-dikit ya guys. So, aku mulai YouTube itu 2 tahun lalu. Aku awal upload video itu September 12, 2020. Wow. So, intinya makasih banyak buat semua dukungannya. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much guys. So, langsung aja kita buka ya guys. Oh, it's still brand new. Aku belum buka sama sekali. Gimana? Oh. Kok susah?
One eternity later.
Oke, kalian bisa lihat dulu aja. Wow. Wow.
Girl, what's wrong with the voice? It sounds like a dying goat. Need a trip to the hospital. Let's replay that again.
Oh my gosh. I'm speechless. Wow. This is presented to CHERIE Calliста for passing 100k subscribers. Wow! Thank you so much. Thank you so much YouTube. Thank you so much you guys. Thank you so much. Thanks God. Thanks mom and dad. And thank you guys. This is the detail guys. Makasih banyak buat teman-teman yang udah ikutin channel aku sampai sekarang. Terus ikutin channel aku ya, dan tunggu karya aku selanjutnya. See you in my next video. Bye bye.